Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how I DIY'd this backpack and how to make your own. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need is a backpack and a few smaller bags. I got mine from AliExpress under the camping and hiking section, but really anything can work here. You'll also need some pins and patches. I got most of these from AliExpress too. Finally, you need an iron, a thin towel, and a needle and thread if you want. I'm also using an ironing board here, but you don't need one, just be careful. The first thing you'll need to do is turn on your iron. I started on medium heat, but it wasn't really doing the trick, so I switched to high. Make sure there's no steam. Then just lay your patch down and the towel. Press firmly with the iron for about 20 seconds, making sure not to burn the towel. Keep ironing until the patch is secure. You can check by removing the towel and waiting for the patch to cool before poking at it. Repeat this process for every patch. Now I'm going to show you how I attach some of the bags to the front of my backpack. Let's try one more way. Perfect. Now I'm going to attach the pins. And that's pretty much it. This backpack is really versatile, organized, and can fit a surprising amount of stuff. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments down below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching!